Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, I'm just out here riding the 630 Simple Glide. Oh, have I got something to share with you. Oh my goodness, I unlocked a special secret little feature. Yep, actually it's a huge feature. Yeah, it's one that no one knew about. Well, the company knew about, but it happens to be one of those things that they forgot to mention. They didn't put it on their website. And when I reached out to Dustin, the CEO, and said, hey, you know, it'd be really cool if this bike had this particular feature, and maybe you could consider that in the future upgrade. And he says, Richard, well, the bike already has that feature. I said, what are you talking about? It doesn't have that feature. And he said, oh, yes, it does. Sure enough, it does. So stick around, I'm going to show it to you. Look out, squirrel! Hey guys, check it out. This is a 630 Simple Glide recumbent trike. Man, this thing, well, it's a lot of fun, as you can tell. Having a lot of fun with it. Got that great big booty chair thing going on right there. Makes it super comfortable to ride, super stable. You can take corners without any worry about tipping over. It is a lot of fun, but hey, that's not what we're here about. We're going to do a full review on this real soon, but I want to share with you this secret little feature that this trike has. Yeah, check it out. Up here on the display, you have your pass settings. Can you see that in the sunlight? I don't know if you can see that. Whoa, maybe you can. You got pass 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then you got one more. What is that thing? Well, that happens to be, you ready for it? Ready for it? A reverse. Oh yeah, we have a reverse. Look, bump it back up into 3. Oh, we're gonna get out of here. Get out here on the sidewalk. See that? Back down to 0. One more, boom, reverse. Oh yeah, that is sweet. Get yourself out of a tight spot without having to get off your trike and maneuver it around, right? Hey, look, once I discovered this feature, you should have saw me in the garage playing bumper cars or bumper trikes. I was in there trying to test this feature out in my crowded garage, bumping into things. But I tell you what a great feature to have, and you don't realize how much you would use it until you have it. Now 630 put this on the Easy Transit, and when we had that trike for a while, I had a lot of fun with that feature. You know, just it's so nice to be able to maneuver around and, oh, you know, stop, let's back up, or let's, you know, parallel park right here at the store, or whatever the case. You've got that ability now, and it's just so much fun. Look, stop right here again. Hey, you know what? Let's put it in reverse. Let's go the other way. I'm gonna pull into my friend's Tom, pull into his yard a little bit. There we go. Let's go back this way. Yeah, isn't that so cool? We're gonna stop right here in the shade. It is a blazing hot day today in Florida. See any alligators? Look, I see a bird out there. I'm not a bird guy. I don't know what kind that is. The water's nice and still. I see a fish hitting the surface over there. I'm not seeing any alligators. I haven't seen any alligators in this body of water for a little while. But hey, it's Florida, so you always have to assume they're there. We have alligators in the pond that is right behind my house. Only one, though. He's a good size alligator. Hey, look, let's back up. Oh, yeah. Let's back up. Let's go back this way. Oh, spin that tire. Here we go. Yeah, cool feature. Love it, love it, love it. You will too. Hey, I'll let you in on a little secret too. Another little secret. I was talking to the CEO the other night, chatting with him online, you know, back and forth, sending some emails. He told me this trike right here, it's selling really well. He said, people that test ride it really like it and they end up buying it. Yeah. So, hey, you know what? If you're thinking about, what are you doing looking at the sun? There you go. If you're thinking about this trike right here, you know what? Check it out. Take advantage. That dog wants to eat me. Take advantage of his free test ride program. You can go to his California location, and now, if you want to come see me here in Florida, if you live in the area, you can contact 630 and they'll arrange it for you to come here and test out this very trike right here with me. Yeah, that's something I'm kind of doing for 630, letting people test out their stuff. You know, I let people test out a lot of other stuff too, but in particular, got this deal with 630. Look, my neighbor's shaking his head at me. This is your style of trike. It really is. You should try it. Yeah, I'm serious. Look, you could probably take this out on the golf course because it's got a reverse. Where do I put my clubs? You know what? We've got this little hitch thingy right here. We can probably rig something up for you.
They wouldn't allow me.
Yeah, I know they wouldn't allow you.
That's money in their pocket.
Of course. They want you to rent the golf cart. I get it. Whew. This sun is cooking. I got to get some wind going through my hair, so I'll catch you later. Where were we? Yeah, I have no idea. What was I saying? I can't rewind the video. I could, it's just not that easy. Look, all these interruptions. Now I got this guy over here making all kinds of noise, so we'll just go this way. Let's just end this video here. Guys, if you're thinking about this trike, go check it out. And yeah, take a look at it. Ask me any questions. Sign up at 630 to come visit me and take this trike for a test ride if you want. Yeah. Yeah. I've already got people taking us up on that offer, by the way, too. So, yeah, it's kind of a lot of fun. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. Whoa! That backfired. Yeah, that got my attention. Got my heart pumping a little bit. How about yours? Hey, and until next time, you guys ride responsibly and ride safe. Oh, here we go. Bumper cars. Oh, come on, don't spin out. Okay, here we go. Oh, too far. Maybe back up a little. Oh, too far. Maybe go forward just a little. Oh, yeah, right there. Ah, that's where we want it.